My heart is so big that it nearly exploded in my season of experiencing your soul so close to mine. At first it was ticking in the flutters of a kaleidoscope of butterflies, waiting to detonate in all the corners and creases of my being. It was so beautiful. Now it ticks in dangerous death-like palpitations that take my breath away and replaces it with panic that has disarmed me of my peace and steals the pockets of air that I need to look like I have everything under control. I don't. Your love was so cleansing. Now I'm drowning under the memories of silver-lined clouds that I used to once sit on and watch in awe. How easy loving me came to you. You really did make me feel things I never felt before. Made me fall in love with parts of myself I never thought exuded beauty. Like I was the only, and you were the one. But it was just a temporary gig. A quick trip to heaven with a crash landing that paralyzed me. Thanks for letting me go. I wouldn't have been able to walk away first.